Hi guys, unfortunately the replacement pump that I bought 3 years ago, the QBF-2500, has also died at the 3-year mark. I've disassembled it and the issue is the same. This is the ceramic shaft or axle that goes inside the pump, and it's in 3 pieces. Now I've measured it and it's 3 mils in diameter and about 88 mils in length. Now I've rung and searched various web suppliers around and nobody has a replacement ceramic shaft. So I've also asked about carbon fiber rods or stainless steel rod, and again I've been frustrated not being able to find anything like this, but then I did find this stainless steel threaded rod, which is 3 mils in diameter. Unfortunately the minimum quantity I had to buy was 1 meter, but I only need to cut 88 mils off. Has to be stainless steel or other non-magnetic material, as it has to go inside the magnetic rotor. So I got my Dremel out. Looks good. It's probably about 1 millimeter or less short. Anyway, I'm not sure how easy it is to see, but at the base of this hole there is a receptacle to hold the axle. So let's stick that in. Okay, looking good. Right. This part should go on top, I think. Good. And this part should thread onto there. So where's the screw hole? There's the screw hole there. There's the screw hole there. So we need to just get these bits there and lock it into place. Locked in. Now just to screw it up again. Oops. Put that screw in. Okay, screwed back on. Close the lid up. And reattach it. Connected it up again. And it's working.